Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Moment to Any. My name is Eniola. So a quick one, guys. I found a solution to whoever is feeling reluctant to shoot their YouTube video because they don't have a fine background or they're worried about their background. Because I'm one of those people, and I did my research and I found that you can use a fake background to make your videos. So I decided not to be stingy and decided to come over here and share with you guys. So I found out two apps where you can use to generate a fake background for your videos. The first one is Leonardo AI, and the second one is Canva. So I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can use either of these two AI app to generate a fake background for yourself, for your YouTube video or whatever video you would like to create. So let's get right into this video because I don't want to keep you guys waiting.
So guys, the first app we are going to use is Leonardo AI. So you go on your Safari or Chrome, then you type in Leonardo AI. Then you sign up with either your Apple account or your Google account, whichever one you want to sign up with. And it's going to take you to this page where it's to be showing you all the guidelines on how to use the site. So now after all of this, you just go in and type what you would like to generate. So in this box here, you type whatever background you want to generate. So I'm going to type in a generate a table, a desk, a modern lamp, and a flower. Then I'm going to click on generate over here. So just wait for it to load. So once it has load, yeah, this is what I get. But I like it though, but I don't like the fact that it's too dark. So I'm going to insert another word to make it different. So I'm going to include like a white background. So let's see what I'm going to get with this. So this is what I get. I love the simplicity of this, so I'm okay with this, and I'm going to just click on the image. If you want to save it, just click on the image, then you save to your phone gallery like this. So sorry about this. So you click on the image, then download. That's it. So after this, you just exit the site. You can download as much as you want, but I'm okay with just two. So after this, we head over to
Okay, so after this we go on Canva. Canva is the next app that we'll be using. So you go on Canva. You know Canva has so many features, so you just type in YouTube thumbnail. So yeah, you type in YouTube thumbnail to give you the exact size of the YouTube frame size. You get me? So it's going to bring out a blank space. So you just click on the blank space and take it to another page. Now after this, just click on camera, then drag in your image, add it to the blank page and drag it till it fits into the space. Drag till it fits into the space. Yeah, like this. After you've done this, you can go ahead and save, but I would like to add a little touch. So I'm going to click on elements and I'm going to add the YouTube logo, which has a subscribe under it. So when people are watching my video, their attention to can draw their attention to and remind them to subscribe to my channel. So I'm just going to make it not too big and not too small to fit perfectly into the background. And after all this is done, I'll go ahead and save. So the second app you can use to create your fake background is Canva itself. So just head over to Canva the way we did before. You type in YouTube thumbnail and it's going to bring out this blank space, and you just go over to elements. Then it's going to show you generate your own whatever you want to generate. So I'm just going to type in a modern bed, lamp, desk and flower. So I'm just going to click on generate image. Okay, with a mirror. Let's go with that. Then
Let's see what it's going to bring out for me. So I actually love this. I love everything about this. So I'm just going to select like one or two that I can work with. So when you click on any image you like, it's going to directly come to this page. So you just have to make the image fit into the blank space. So you make it fit into the frame like we did before with Leonardo AI. Yes. So make it fit into the frame, and after that you go ahead and save the image. So once you save the image, we head over to CapCut. So after this we go over to CapCut, then you click on overlay, then you insert your video. So after this you look for cutouts, then you click on remove background. Sorry, I've been doing this before. So when you click on remove background, you just take a while to load and it's going to remove the background. So if you want a perfect result, please make sure you shoot the video on a plain background. Mine has a little glitch because there's a curtain showing in the video, so it's not entirely a plain background, so that's why it has a little glitch. So make sure to shoot your video on a plain background. So you have to drag the image to the end of your video, drag it to where your video ends. So after all of this, then you go back and click on effects. So after clicking on effect, then click on video effect, then go over to look for lens. So under the lens option, you click on blur. So you blur the background a little, but I have to adjust it, so I don't want it to be too blurry. So I adjust it a bit. Then after that, you have created, okay, so after that I had to drag it to the end of my video. So once this is done, you have created your YouTube background, then go ahead and save.
So if you guys find this video helpful or useful, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, support me, like my videos, and comment whatever you like to see or what you don't understand in the video. I'll be so glad to put you guys through and help you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye and see you in my next video.